Hey, I'm Elsie, and this joker is my dad.
Remember to save some batteries.
Yes, Dad.
Good morning, mate.
Good morning, mate. Good to see you.
How's it going?
Good. Hey, Elsie, good to see you.
Together with Paul,
Mate, I've
this
just done,
is Mr. Landcruiser.
our seats coming.
People think my dad's big, scary, and looks like he was squashy,
Dad, really?
but he's really just a big teddy bear.
Right, are we ready to go?
Yep. Action.
Check out this FJ45 behind me. What a beautiful machine we have.
I've been filming the guys at work for a few years now.
1984, HJ47.
HJ60, and what a perler it is as well.
I love making films. Dad, well, he loves his Land Cruisers.
Oh, what a perler this 60 series is behind me.
And I think Dad wants me to love them as well.
And that's it for another episode of Mr. Landcruiser.
And cut.
How was that, Elsie? Good?
That was great, Dad.
Yeah, sweet.
What's next?
Oh, you got to go and edit it.
Sometimes the best thing about hanging with Dad is the people I get to meet.
Hey, guys.
Hey, Mia. It's really good to see you again,
Yeah,
mate.
you too.
Nice one.
Oh, you must be Elsie.
One of my favourites was Mia. She was really cool, and her cruiser was pretty epic.
Okay, Elsie, we ready to go?
Yep. Action.
Right, this week on Mr. Landcruiser, we are here with Mia. And Mia, I believe you built this BJ40 by yourself.
Well, actually, I built it together with my dad.
Oh, really? Nice. Okay. Well, look, just start running this through the process. You don't mind getting your hands dirty?
No, not at all. I grew up with Dad working on the cars a lot, so yeah. Even the most basic job changing your oil.
So even something like the bodywork, it's such a massive job.
Yeah, look, it is, but anything worthwhile you put your heart and soul into.
So definitely not a one-person job. The roof.
That's right. I was really lucky to have Dad's help, and it was really great spending some time with him, you know, before setting off on my own adventures.
The fact that Mia built her own cruiser was really inspirational.
Look, I've definitely hit my bumps along the way, but when you've built it yourself, you can get yourself out of trouble.
And these tyres. Oh, I bet you've been some places in this cruiser.
That's right. I've had some amazing adventures and had really great experiences.
Hearing Mia's story made me realise that just maybe I could do the same.
Truly inspirational, it really was. Anyway, that's it for this week, Mr. Landcruiser.
Cut. What do you think, Elsie?
That was unreal. I can spend all night editing the hours I've spent with Dad.
Check out this FJ45 behind me. What a beautiful machine.
It's fun capturing and reliving the memories.
Remember, old stuff's cool, just like me. Anyway,
I'm learning all the time.
if a job's worth doing, it's worth doing well. Just check.
You start with the basics.
If you listen carefully, there's so much you can learn. You get out 100% of what you put in.
Then over time, you learn what works.
These engines are the heart of a cruiser. You have to know what makes them tick. Ready to go. It's going to be a crazy trip. There's going to be plenty of ups and downs.
And how it works when you don't know it's working.
Mate, controversial colour or what, but it doesn't matter because it's about your creativity, it's about what you want and what you like. Don't worry about anybody else.